Hey guys, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. So for those of you who follow me, you guys know that I did get the side of my head shaved. That's just a little background information on my hair. It is looking a little rough because it's been a while since I got it cut. But anyways, today we're talking about edges, okay? We're going to talk about hair restoration, hair loss, that kind of thing. Something that's supposed to help your edges grow back, okay? So if you're interested, thumbs up this video for me please and stay tuned. So I've been researching some of the weirdest ways of restoring your edges. I do want to restore my edges because I do not take care of my edges. So I started browsing on YouTube and found out that derma rolling, microneedling is also another name for it, is actually something people do. The weirdest thing, but supposedly it works. There are loads and loads of articles about this phenomenon. So if you follow me, you guys already know that I did do a video on a derma roller set that I got from Amazon. So we're going to use the same one, okay? It is the 6-in-1 derma roller set. If you have not watched my previous video on this set, do check it out. Links will be in the description box, including a discount code. So as I promised, I noticed on the box it said that this works with hair loss and hair restoration. I decided to give it a try. This is the package here. In my previous video, I was using this product for my skin only. This is great for getting rid of acne, scars, etc. Check out my previous video. But today we're focusing strictly on edges. I mean, you can use this all over your head if you like, but I'm only doing edges because that's my main concern. This is the head that I'm using, the 720 needles, 0.25 mm. And so first what you want to do is on clean hair, okay, you want to apply a growth oil of some type to the area that you're going to microneedle. Do not just put it on your hair. You want to focus strictly on the scalp area. Once again, my barber did not cut my edges. She only shaved the sides and the back of my head. I told her to leave my edges alone so I could actually do this experiment. So you're going to separate the hair. You don't want to microneedle your actual hair. You want to separate the hair and part it and microneedle up and down and side by side. So after I do that, I do reapply some more growth oil. This is going to actually help the product seep in, okay? So here's how it works. When you microneedle your scalp, it causes minor injuries. No bleeding or anything, you guys. You can barely tell that, you know, the needles are even like really hitting your scalp in a certain way. Once the minor injuries happen to your scalp, this causes the skin to stimulate more collagen in production in that area. Of course, before you use it and after you use it, you're going to want to let it sit in alcohol for at least 8 minutes. It is said that you should derma roll your scalp at least once a week and you will see results within the course of 2 weeks. We will see. I will keep you guys updated, of course. Here's to thicker edges.